Given that f of x is root x and g of x is 3 root x minus 2 plus 1, describe the sequence of 3 transformations which maps the curve y is equal to f of x onto the curve y is equal to g of x. The first thing you need to notice is this, that g of x is going to be 3 times f of x minus 2, because we've got x minus 2 in the square root sign, plus 1. So we've got 3 transformations. The first one will be this bit here. The second one will be this bit here. And then this one will be the third one. So the transformations are a translation to 0. This is this bit, f of x minus 2 is a translation to 0. Remember, when it's minus here, it moves 2 units to the right. And when it's plus, it's 2 units to the left. Right, the timesing by 3 in the front, it will be a vertical stretch parallel to the y-axis. That's 3 times f of x minus 1. And then when we add 1 on it, that's going to be a translation of 0, 1. So adding the 1 is a vertical translation 1 unit upwards. Okay, so these are the 3 transformations in that order. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to transform one function onto another function. I hope you understood, and I thank you very much for watching.